FDM, Factory Direct Models. I commissioned FDM to build a replication of my grandfather's F4U-4 Corsair he flew in the Korean War. After filling out the lengthy build sheet on FDM's website twice, a few months lapsed and my model was finally complete. These are the 4 photos that were emailed to me for approval. I approved the model and it was sent to me early November. Once I received my model, I realized that there were some shortcomings with its quality. I informed FDM of my concerns, and they said, since I approved the photos, I'm stuck with it. Aside from the obvious eyesore you see here, FDM boasts that their models come standard with the most intricate details, including pitot tubes, paneling, ordnance, and antennas. Here's their version of an engine air scoop. And here's their version of an F4U Corsair with 0 guns. FDM uses some pretty convincing and reassuring words.
Consider finding a different company.
Game on. Factory Direct Models has a flimsy 100% guaranteed satisfaction policy, and it shows. For $400, I expected a little better. Thanks for watching. Shop wisely. Nah, close enough, huh?